Hi, my name is Brigitte Stanford, and I'm the photography course lecturer for the International Career School. Um, Remember that the amazing thing about the International Career School is that they give you practical courses without the necessary theory in a very short time. So you get to learn the basics about something really quickly, which I think is just phenomenal because, knowledge is power. Um, so I'm coming to you live from South Africa. And if you stick with me on this course, you'll not only learn the basics of how to use a camera, but you'll be able to shoot in manual. You'll understand the camera, and you'll be able to shoot in varying lighting conditions, and you'll be able to work with models, how to direct them. You'll also be able to learn a bit about post work and retouching, because let's not forget that it really is about 50% what you do in camera and 50% what you do in post. And sort of what I believe overarches these two things is really the narrative and the creative idea. And if you stick with me, I promise that I will always be passionate because I love what I do and I do it for a living. So if you're looking to do something freelance or you're looking for remote work, then this is really the perfect thing. So I really look forward to meeting you, and thank you for your time.